Welcome to the channel Surya TV Jobs, and even you can search the channel in YouTube as Surya TV TSPSC. And today's on topic is pamphlets. So pamphlets, how to make a pamphlet one. At the same time, then what are the basic topics we're going to come in the exam. So that we're going to discuss in this video. So let me start our video with a topic. For example, now we'll take a topic is in generally about education. So what are the in subsidiary means nothing but down to this education, what are the basic topic relevantly they will ask in the exam. For example, if you take the topics like, for example, literacy, okay, then even the furthermore they will ask, like, for example, women education, okay, so importance of women education, and also they will ask like girl education, okay, girl education. This is what about the education. Now other one is that now we will take election topic. In this election topic they will ask about the what is the importance of the vote, okay, then even they will ask about that malpractice, okay, so how to overcome the malpractice at the time of election as a citizen, and also what the citizen need to be take important part about the vote here, importance of the vote, because vote is only the major element which can be changed the democracy. So that here, so malpractice one topic. Then next our topic is, now if you take employment, okay, now if you take employment, in the particular employment, then for example how to overcome from unemployment. So this is what they will ask the topic from the pamphlet, from the employment. Even about migration, stop migration, okay, or stop migration, this is one topic they will go to ask you. Then even how to generate the employment, you know that very well. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is there, so with that they will make one question on this employment also. And also even you can see that here child labor, okay, stop child labor, okay, one more topic they will go to ask from this topic, okay. Then if you take a topic like, for example, water, okay, so water, right, if you take a topic like water, then on this, then about protection of the rivers, okay. Then one more topic here about the groundwater recharge, okay, so groundwater recharge, this is the topic from water. Then if you go further, then water harvesting, okay, water harvesting. Then even they will ask like water watershed management, okay, how to preserve the water, okay. Then even they will ask the one more topic is here, like from the water construction of, okay, so construction of tanks and wells, okay. Then this is from the water related topic, right. Then even if you go, for example, topic from even from the environment, so from the base of the environment they will ask you about the plantation, okay, so plantation of trees, or about trees also they will ask you, okay. Now then importance of the forest, okay, or importance of forest, okay, so importance of forest, so this is a topic from environment. And one more is that about, you know very well about that, the common crisis of the world, where global warming. Then other side, then like save plants, okay, save plants, then save forest, okay, save forest. Then even save, even in this topic we can also will add, we can add save animals, okay, and even, for example, save even wildlife, okay, save even wildlife also, okay. then even save natural resources. Okay, save natural resources. This is also one topic will going to be asked from environment. Okay, then even stop using plastic, stop plastic. So on this topic also, then they will ask you. And even the furthermore topic also we can add here, like for example Swachh Bharat, okay, related to even such, even into Swachh Bharat also. This is also one more topic here. Okay, this is the point. Now let me go furthermore. Then one more topic is that they will ask you about pollution. You know very well about that pollution. Okay, there are four type of pollutions we have, like soil, then air, water, okay, and sound. Okay, sound. These are the pollutions, right? Common pollutions we know. Regarding this also they will ask you. Then now the topic is about population. Okay, population will take it as, or even we can take it as people. We'll take it as a people. Okay, we'll take it as a people. Okay, so in the people generally, like human rights, okay, about protection of the human rights, and even in people we'll take it as a untouchability. Okay, untouchability, practice of untouchability, stop of practice of untouchability. Then even we can go for the population or people. In this topic they will ask you about, okay, gender discrimination. Okay, gender discrimination they will ask you. Then even they will ask you about unity and diversity. Okay, then even they will ask you about secularism, how to protect the country from the different kind of cultures which are present in our country. Then even they will ask you about, means one more topic, like national integration. Okay, national integration, about this also they will ask you. Then even they will ask you about poverty, removal of poverty. Okay, how to remove the poverty from India. So removal of poverty, what are the measures are required for it. So this type of question also they will go to be asking. And also in people we can make it as even equality, about the importance of equality. So this is also one more topic. And also even if you take furthermore, and even about the people means nothing but here child marriage also will go to come, right? So child marriage also. Okay, so these are the specific topics also. And population control. Okay, then even we can take it as a population control. Okay, population control even we can take. And also the topic will go to come from population explosion. What are the reasons for the population explosion in our country? That is also one more topic will go to come from this. The next the topic is about wars. Okay, wars is nothing but here world war. So wars, how to prevent the war, nothing but here creating a peace, about the peace. And normally they will ask about the peace. Okay, about the peace also, or world peace. Then even how to prevent the wars. This is also one more topic. Okay, now the last one we're going to be discussed right now. Then it means that out of these are also general topics will going to come, that is rural development. They will ask about the rural development. And 10th one is that organic farming. Okay, organic farming, not to use the pesticides in the farm. So how to do the organic farming in our country. So these are the specific general topics which comes from our textbook, from class 6 to 10th they will ask you. So it is related to the content. of general topics are related in a surrounding. So most of the students also, what they will do is they will not be have a clear picture about this one. So this video may helpful for them, and these are the specific topics that generally they will ask from this content only. They won't be skipped from this. So because 2000, I have observed that 2012 to up to now, so most of the topics on this particular basis also, then topics are based on this only, and even they want to ask you in a different way. That's it. The topics are in this only, but they will ask you different way. Then even you can go for the further more information, not only this, in the general topics which are related to, so about the human education, okay, environment and surrounding of our social related issues, which are basically on that particularly they will ask the questions on the pamphlets. Okay, now let me see that how to make a pamphlet. Okay, what exactly is required, a particulars in that, let me do it. Now you can observe this here, the format of the pamphlet here. Then I have drawn the roughly the box. You can also make use of the scale and use the scale and draw the properly. Now let me do the how to make a pamphlet. Okay, now let's we go for it. Now first we have to write at the edge, we have to write as a title. Okay, then we have to write first here the title. Okay, so this is the title we have to write here. Then here is the title, then whatever the title, for example already we discussed that several topics, okay, on that related several topics. Then whatever they're going to ask you, then titles you have to mention. Now so here is your introduction. Okay, now here is your introduction, you have to write. Then your introduction should be not less than 3 to 4 lines, not 3 to 4 lines. Now introduction is there. Then importance of the topics. Okay, importance of the topic you have to write. Okay, now importance of the topic you have to write whatever, how many lines you can. Okay, now next, then if it is possible, then you can also give your suggestions in this. Okay, you can also give the suggestion as you wish, in point wise or paragraph wise. Okay, now you can also go for further even preventions. Okay, so preventions. Okay, preventions. Now then preventions, then after that you can make the conclusion over here, and conclusion not less than 3 to 4 lines. Then after that, then here, so number of copies, how many copies you have given for the print. For example, I'm writing 5,000 copies. Okay, now so from where you have published. Okay, so publisher name. So for example, I'm writing ABC at the rate so and so, publisher. Okay, publishers. So like this, so you have to write. Even you can add some more, even some slogans wherever it's required, as you feel better, or these corner or middle of it, or even also. And even you can make sure to even draw even pictures also. You can draw even pictures also, as you wish, generally as you wish. You can draw, if you want to make it as the pamphlet as effective, then you can also make more interesting one. Then you can also, so why these pamphlets are made generally. For example, you can see that different kind of pamphlets in the outside you're going to see. So the pamphlets which is going to be tells us about that, creating the awareness on the different issues to how to overcome. Okay, so for that here, so we are making a pamphlet. So according to the examiner point of view also, they will go to ask you in this manner. Okay, so remember this title, introduction, importance of the topic, suggestions you can make sure, and prevention and conclusion. So this is a general format of it, and even number of the copies, how many are printed, even publisher, from where you have publishing, right? So this is, and even picture you can draw, and slogans you can write. At 2 or 3, that doesn't matter that write completely, you need to fill up. Only few slogans are enough to make interesting one, right? So this is the format of the pamphlet, right? So generally the people will going to ask you sometimes for 2 months or even for the 4 months, it doesn't matter. So what is matters is to how effectively you have written the pamphlets, that is the matters, right? So this is what the format of the pamphlets, and even for the topics also we have even covered. Then so if you want us for furthermore in useful topics and videos also, you can subscribe to our channel, like our channel, share our videos. Thanks for watching Surya TV Jobs.